Hello, everyone, and welcome to Jackson's Math Notebook. Today is our sixth video in a series of videos involving the art of rounding. Today, we're going to round very small numbers. And how do you know we're rounding very small numbers? Well, all the digits are to the right of the decimal, and that indicates that we're going to be rounding small numbers today. And so let's go over our examples. The first number is 467 thousandths, emphasizing the THS, 233 thousandths, 855 thousandths, 903 thousandths, 752 thousandths, but the good news, we're rounding them to the nearest hundredths. And so these numbers, we're going to use hundredths form of rounding instead of the thousandths form of rounding. And as you see right here, 467 thousandths is above 465 thousandths because the 5 always represents the threshold, and the 7, which is in the thousandths place, is greater than the number 5, which is in the thousandths place over here, which lets us know that 467 thousandths actually rounds to 47 hundredths. We can say for 470 thousandths, but it's not necessary, believe me. We'll just simply say 47 hundredths since we're rounding to the nearest hundredths. And let's go ahead with 233 thousandths. And as you can see, the 33 part right here is smaller than the 33 part of our threshold number. And we know that 233 thousandths will round to 230 thousandths, which is really 23 hundredths. Okay, so now we're getting the picture here. And so all we have to do is just do the same thing with these other numbers, and we see that 855 thousandths will round us to 86 hundredths, because once we make this threshold, we just simply go ahead and round to the higher number. And as you see right here, we have 903 thousandths, and we know that this 3 in the thousandths position is less than this 5 in the thousandths position, and so we know that 903 thousandths rounds to 90 hundredths right here. We can also say 9 tenths, but that's another story. For now, we're just going to say 90 hundredths just to keep things simple. And finally, 752 thousandths. Well, we know that the 52 is slightly less than the 55, which means that 752 thousandths rounds to 75 hundredths right here, because we know that the 52 is closer to the 50, which again means that this number, 752 thousandths, rounds to 75 hundredths. That was quite a bit of information that you were given. Please replay the video as many times you need to get a handle on the vocabulary. But in the meantime, please comment, share, like, and subscribe to Jackson's Math Notebook for more content. Thank you and goodbye.